My name's Colin, and I have a problem. So let's see, at the butt here, it is 33 inches across. Here, it's 4 feet across. So we're gonna have to do some serious surgery on this thing before we can get it on the mill. So I ended up having to add some counterweight and drag this log all the way to the sawmill with the help of a buddy. And as you can see here, it took several people to get this thing loaded onto the mill. And even then it was sketchy at best, but we eventually got it up there. Unfortunately, about here, the belt started slipping on the drive pulley, so I had to end up taking the engagement rod off and shortening it by a ½ inch, and that got a lot more tension on the drive belt, and I was able to continue cutting. In fact, you can see here in this shot that the cut is just taking forever. I could barely add any load to the saw to push it forward, otherwise the blade would stop. So here in this next cut, you can see I'm progressing through the log a lot faster once it gets going. So I cut these slabs about 3 inches thick, and as you can see here, it takes 2 of us just to slide them off. They're just incredibly heavy, but it's some good looking wood, and it should dry pretty well, and we'll see it here in a year or so.